This small island in East Asia, with 23 million people, is one of the most amazing innovation hubs on the planet. For decades, Taiwan has had a well-earned reputation as a world-class manufacturer of high-tech products and electronics. It began with radios, TV sets, VCRs, and cassettes. Then it was computers, smartphones, and gaming consoles. Today, it's microchips, electric vehicles, biotech, robotics, artificial intelligence, and much more. Just to get an idea, especially in the last few years, with the COVID pandemic and the trade wars, two big Taiwanese companies have stood out in international news due to their strategic role in the global supply chains. The first one is TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, which makes over 90% of the world's most advanced chips. Just this year, they announced their new 2-nanometer chip, a new standard that will revolutionize the industry. Actually, many industries. The other giant Taiwanese company is Foxconn. For a long time now, they have been the largest contractor in the world for manufacturing electronics. Apple may design and sell iPhones, but they are made by Foxconn. Now, even though their products are crucial for many of the things that we use in our daily lives and our work, and for the businesses and factories that keep the world running, as consumers, we don't often see the brand logos of companies like Foxconn and TSMC. However, I would bet that you are more familiar with these other companies that are also from Taiwan. This company is from Taiwan. And this company is from Taiwan. And this one. And this one too. As for the CEO and co-founder of this company, he's Taiwanese, and his name is Jensen Huang. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. Many cutting-edge companies have established a global footprint thanks to the impressive entrepreneurial drive, technological expertise, and creative talent of Taiwan. And the list goes on. Let me tell you, if we're talking innovation, this is a madhouse. And you only need to buy a ticket on the high-speed rail to see the same love for innovation all around the island. In fact, even in your own city, no matter where you are in the world, you probably don't have to walk very far to actually taste Taiwanese innovation. Did you know that bubble tea was invented here in Taiwan? On this channel, I will talk to the companies and the people that make Taiwan a global powerhouse of the innovation game in all the fields that are shaping this century. I'm also going to show you the thriving public and private ecosystem that helps to launch and promote all kinds of innovative startups, both from Taiwan and from abroad. So if you want to find out more about the power of Taiwanese innovation, or better yet, if you're looking for ideas for your next project, your next investment, or your next partnership, please give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Taiwan Edge.